Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all fine and happy. From today we will start learning basics of game development. This course is for beginners and this video is introduction. We will also download a game engine and we will understand how a game engine, so without wasting our time let's start. First of all we need to download game engine, but before we download any game engine, let me explain to you what a game engine is. So a game engine is tool or a software which build with other small engines like physics engine, rendering engine, and also have some tools like scripting and animation. So now back to the downloading part, we are looking for game engine is easy to use and support both 2D and 3D graphics. There are many options but two of them are great, Unity and Godot. Unity is advanced and good game engine to start with and have both 2D and 3D graphics, but on the other hand Godot is lightweight and easy to use game engine. Here is the difference between Unity and Godot Game Engine. Now as I told this course is for beginners, so we download Godot Game Engine. Go to this website and click download button, then are two option. You can download standard version or you can also download .NET version. The difference between them is .NET version have C# language support and it is a portable zip file, just download one of them. After downloading the game engine it's time to open it and make a new project. Now let me give an introduction about this engine. On the left side this is node scene tree. A node is a game object which can contain other nodes or game objects. On front this preview window where we can see our scene. On left bottom there is file management or project folder where our all assets, scene, script files is saved. On the right side is inspector where we can change setting of our node or game objects. Up here is our scene menu where we can change to 2D to 3D or our coding workspace.
Now that's all for today video and I will meet on my next video. Bye.